डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन अब वक्त है मेन 74 यानी कि 74 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं रशिया मूल के और उनके टीम कैप्टन केतिक सोबोलोव। डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में एमपी योद्धास की ओर से आ रहे हैं यूक्रेन मूल के वसील मिखाइलोव।
थर-थर कांपे धरती आसमान भी कर सकते न सामना। जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं।
Ketik Sobolov. The name has so much of weight in it, but also the amount of tongue turns that you have in while taking this name. That is the amount of left turns he does on the mat.
He's quite a dangerous player as such, and he is always present. He was there last season and almost unbeaten. Almost unbeaten. But then again, European Championship in under 23, 2017 was the third place that Vasil Mikhailov had scored. So he has a lot of potential that we can see. These are the two countries in the Russian Union who have different styles, and when they come against each other, you cannot preempt what kind of style they are fighting in.
Since the time they've gone different from USSR days, I think it's all about different strategy.
Yes, of course. And yes, on the attack we can see Mikhailov is in an advantage as of now. I think right now Sobolov is trying to judge and gauge his opponent. As much as that attacking stance we cannot see, maybe because he thinks he's the underdog. So that is why I think Vasil is trying to make his presence felt.
But a lot of time, like how a catapulting thing happens, like if that movement, maybe this underdog can jump and bite the other one. That's
we just
very
saw
important.
in the earlier bout where Pinky was at an advantage.
Yeah. And Ketik over here, he's not just the expert. He's going for that turn. Look at that replay. But then Vasil blocking that turn. Those points could not be in the favor of Ketik. Ketik is really dangerous, not just for the upper body, also for the lower body. Upper body turns and then pins, and the strength that he uses is raw.
Yes, of course. But then again, totally raw power is Vasil Mikhailov, because, see, he has a point to prove, but he could not. Raw power is what was not under control, and that is why he just got himself in trouble.
Look at that turn. The crowd went behind that turn, and now Vasil trying his level best to block Ketik and not let him score. That one turn, that one slam, if I can call it, got Ketik 4 points.
See, as of now, if we see Mikhailov has got nothing to lose, it's that raw power he has to control, and that is what he's trying to do. He's at an attack right now, and if that's the advantage, he's got a 2-pointer.
And Ketik over here turning it around and taking 2 points from that. Now he's going for that leg turn. Look at that grip. That grip is lethal. One. We are talking about not just one turn, he's going for another one. For now, it's just a 2-point move. Are you feeling bad about it because it's just a 2-point move? Don't you want more action?
I would love to have more action, but then again, it's not about your own game anymore. It's about the teams now. It's about the whole season, how you get across. And right now, I think the inexperience of Mikhailov could be seen because he has the raw power, but he cannot control it and attack where it's necessary. He's all over the mat, as we can see, and that's the point where Sobolov just spots that kink and he just goes for it and is on the verge of a technical superiority knockout.
So 20 seconds to go, and as per Joe's analogy, Vasil is the atom bomb because you can't be unleashed and it's raw power.
Yes, of
but
course.
more planned, the nuclear bomb.
Yes, of
Ketik.
course. Experience does matter by the end of the day. See, he has the exposure, but he's not won an international medal, so that is why Mikhailov is at a disadvantage. You having all the power and not to know where to use it is at the disadvantage. And with that, we come out with the first round of this bout. Something has to go down, and as of now, we can see Ketik at an advantage and seeing Vasil's side being a little bit on a disadvantage. Raw power, but he cannot control that power.
Vasil needs a miracle.
Vasil needs a control.
Vasil needs a better technique.
Vasil needs presence of mind and trying to find the chink in Sobolov's armor.
Vasil needs Ketik could not play this anymore.
Well, yeah, the kind of tactics. Oh, he's on the attack right now. He's got to get a score point right now. Vasil is trying. But as of now, we can see that Sobolov is kind of playing with the rat.
Yeah.
That's how the experience shows on the mat right now.
Right now, both the wrestlers testing the waters against each other, figuring out what each other's strategy is for this round, which is round 2 of this bout. Ketik standing tall, not giving in.
What we can try and do say that, yes, Ketik has been at the advantage, but then again, that raw power of Vasil is... Vasil is right now at a place where he's got nothing to lose, but he can only get... He's 3-0 not out.
Yeah.
But he could be out. Another 2
Exactly.
points and he could be out.
Yeah. You know, Bek Balatov, the last season when both of these guys faced each other, Ketik and him, that was a match to watch. But look at these leg turns. These are the leg turns to watch. 2, 4, 6.
There's a saying in Hindi, ki
8,
Savdhani hati aur durghatna ghati.
10,
That's exactly what's happening right
12,
now.
and that's it. The bout is finished. More than 15 points lead. Ketik standing true to his name. The Ghatak Ketik, the leg turns. It's like snakes rolling down in the mud. Ketik winning this bout by a margin, and not just a normal margin, by a massive margin.
मत ले पंगा।